but you need to find what exactly you are more attached to or what pulls you more. I feel everyone has a little bit of creativity inside them. You just need to explore it. Add your own touch, add your USP to it कि भाई ये हमारा जो पीस है आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. And I feel कि जितना स्पोर्ट्स खेल के you get your mind clear ना.
So, welcome Mehak Tulsian ji for our podcast Reality Unfiltered. And I must say that, like I've told you before, I had a friend who was the most creative person I knew until I met you. So, I hope a lot of things, a lot of answer will be unveiled via creative ways.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
You've had a very interesting story on how you have built your gifting brand. So, if you can share a light on how your journey started.
Sure. So basically, like I told you before, it was supposed to be a rebel project. Like I had started out of anger because I wanted a 5,000 ka palette, eyeshadow palette, and my mom was not ready to get me. First thing, because I was very young to wear makeup. Second, she thought it was very expensive. मतलब 5,000 का सिर्फ eyeshadow is a big thing. And I had a lot of big dreams, and I knew I am a very expensive child. So someone had to pay something to get me that. And I think I started because I had such an expensive taste. Plus मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का. I had seen my grandmother do it, my mom do it, my nanny do it. So I think somewhere or the else I had it in me, the creativeness. But it just got pushed because of one eyeshadow palette. And then I started with, like bookmarks and painting small caricatures and all of that. Then suddenly, slowly it started to grow. Then I was not here in India for 2 years.
Right.
I was doing my bachelor's. So I was in Mumbai, then I was in Paris, then Italy. So I was roaming all around the world. But I had my mom taking care of my business. And once I was back here, it started picking up really well.
So, do you think creativity is something you are born with or something that you can build along the way?
So you definitely have, like I feel everyone has a little bit of creativity inside them. You just need to explore it. And
Okay.
you just need a point where it gets pushed, where you are, able to explore it. Because for me, I always had it in me. Like I hear stories from my childhood where रात को 3 बजे I was found once under the dining table doing
Oh,
painting.
okay.
They had to pick me up and put me to sleep. Like now go to sleep. So I feel like I had it in me, but my mom used to do different things. I do different things. Like she is a songwriter and an author.
Oh, wow.
So she has gone in a completely different creative field. I have gone more into crafts.
Yeah.
So everyone has some kind of creativity, but you need to find what exactly you are more attached to or what pulls you more, so that you make it a passion out of
Right.
it.
Yeah, I think generally the term is that girls are creative and boys are behind numbers and logical.
But you see, like in Europe, there are lots of men who are into craft and art or fashion. Like I was in a fashion school, I learned visual merchandising. But the amount of ideas and the amount of creativity the boys had, no
Oh,
matter,
yes.
there'll obviously be a lesser population of boys who go into the field of creativity. But if there are boys in the field, they are able to excel more than the girls.
Oh,
I have seen that personally. Not all the situations,
Yeah.
but few of them.
that's still a good fact to tell someone, a boy at least, to explore
Yeah.
creativity.
I mean, in my family personally, I've seen my brother, he is into cooking right now.
Okay.
But he's starting a vegan like cloud kitchen.
Okay.
But I have seen the amount of creativity he has. Abhi, I had a flea. So, usme, it was a painting workshop.
Right.
It was just for fun. It was just a marketing thing. But the creativity he showed in that painting workshop was immense. Like I never thought like if he's into cooking he can paint so well also. But you need to give it time.
You didn't give it.
Creativity requires a lot of time, and you need to stay with your thoughts. If you're not able to sit alone with your thoughts, you can't be creative.
I think that's a
Yeah.
fair point.
Yes.
So, what do you think? You've mentioned a lot of times. I've heard your principle is जो जैसा दिखता है वैसा present नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
It should be presented in a very new and out of the box way. What is the most uniquest thing you have created?
I I wouldn't say that I was the first one to create that.
Okay.
I think there was a girl who had created that first. But I took my personal take on it. So there's this really famous quote, steal like an artist.
Right.
So everyone's heard that, but usme there are few points that nobody has actually, encountered or thought about it. Stealing like an artist does not mean कि अच्छा Pinterest पे ये देखा, copy paste चिपका दिया, same to same draw करके दे दिया. No. Stealing like an artist means आपको 10 pictures दिए अलग अलग, इसमें से आपको font अच्छा लग रहा है, इसका color अच्छा लग रहा है. Pick up elements, make them your own, and then make an art piece.
Okay.
So that is stealing like an artist, and not just copy pasting and color change कर दिया, थोड़ा सा font change कर दिया, हो गया नया piece. That will put you into legal issues like plagiarism also then. So I feel like ये सब चीजें भी ध्यान रखनी पड़ती है. And then once you come into the field, I had created this banana leaf invite, and that reel has reached about 5 million as of now. And the amount of orders I have gotten, because the first person who had created that, uska leaf was not realistic.
Okay.
I personally took a leaf, I sat with the leaf for 5 days. It was like every line I had sketched out. I understood how the leaf is working around different colors.
Studying a
Yes.
living leaf itself.
Yeah. So pura I had studied, like I had destroyed my mom's banana plant completely.
Okay.
सारे 5-6 पत्ते तोड़ दिए. She went crazy after that. But eventually I got a very good design for banana leaf. And that was my biggest hit until now.
So I've oftenly seen that a lot of people try and enter the gifting industry broadly. They think it's one of the easiest. Get an order, get a wholesaler or someone. If it's custom, get it printed and then sell them back.
Yes.
But majority of them have failed, thinking it's a good industry. Let us try. Kitna hi capital lagega and all. What do you think is the most common mistake someone does when they enter industry like this?
So I feel like people, there are these classes, online classes that are going on right now. What I've seen are these like luxury gift wrapping classes and all of that. They teach you 10 styles to make. कि भाई ऐसे रैप करो, you can do a cloth का रैप also, satin का कपड़ा ऐसे, bow ऐसे करो, this and that. They teach you the techniques. बट वो उन लोग का बिजनेस सस्टेन क्यों कर पा रहे हैं, क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज वो नई आइडियाज जो मार्केट में नहीं है वो खुद डेवलप कर रहे हैं. इफ यू आर टेकिंग इंस्पिरेशन एंड यू आर डूइंग इट, दैट इज फाइन. एड योर ओन टच, एड योर यूएसपी टू इट कि भाई ये हमारा जो पीस है आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू समटाइम्स इज ग्राफिक्स ऑनलाइन मिल जाएंगे जो रेडी कटआउट्स चिपका दो उसमें. I used to make my own prints and then print them and make the cutouts. वो market में कोई use ही नहीं कर सकता, वो मैंने
Innovation went hand in hand with
Yes.
creativity.
And you need to keep up very fast because अभी होली में कुछ रिलीज हुआ, दिवाली तक complete market change. And biggest mistake I feel is कि लोग inventory बहुत ज़्यादा ले लेते एक point पे कि अच्छा 100 बॉक्सेस ये अच्छे लग रहे हैं, ले लो, हम निकाल देंगे. और वो उस निकालने के चक्कर में आई फील उसको इतना
Quality
चेपते
compromise and
हाँ.
everything will happen.
एंड बॉक्सेस आर सच पीपल फील के खराब नहीं होगा, बट इवन इफ इट्स केप्ट इन सनलाइट ना, वो खराब होगी चीज. कलर ही निकल जाएगा. यू विल सी अ डल कलर जो आप फर्स्ट डे पे ला रहे हो, आप 30 डेज के बाद देखो कलर उड़ चुका होगा. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो what I feel is and what I applied was कि I'll get a smaller inventory. एक प्रोडक्ट का सैंपल बना के वीडियो डाल दिया, क्लाइंट को अच्छा लग रहा है, उसको 5 और सैंपल उस डिज़ाइन के दिखाऊंगी मैं खुद इनोवेट करके. फिर उसमें से जो चूज करेंगे उसका ऑन द स्पॉट
बनाओगे.
हाँ, उसका तुरंत की तुरंत बल्क में आएगा, जितना ऑर्डर वर्क है उतना वो सारा निकल जाएगा. इफ आई कीप, अगर मैंने बॉटल मंगवाई है बेबी की, वो मैं रख के रखूँ कि नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर में भी चिपका दूंगी, not going to work. Everyone needs something new. You can't stick to one idea के बेबी में रसगुल्ला ऐसे पैक करके दे दो. I had done dolchies once जो आज तक कोई नहीं कर रहा था, but I was like this looks cute. You just need to decorate it that way.
Being such creative and innovative person, what do you think is a skill that mostly you can say creative people have, but a generic person should also have?
I wouldn't say there is something particular that a creative person has and a normal person doesn't have. Like I told you before, it's just the moment till you have explored it. आप में वो क्वालिटीज, इवन यू, आई एम टेलिंग यू, तुम्हारे अंदर कोई ना कोई ऐसा पार्ट है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग जस्ट आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट. यू आर वेरी क्रिएटिव, यू जस्ट डोंट नो व्हाट इज योर मोस्ट क्रिएटिव पॉइंट एंड वेयर you are the most creative. Sometimes you need to sit alone. Like different things work for different people.
Correct.
Like for me, it used to be in my teenage years. I used to blast music, like One Direction ka music on top of the volume, and that used to work for me. Now it doesn't work for me. I need to listen to soft, calming music so that I can get my thoughts together. If I hear loud music now, I will stay in the song only. I will not do my work. So you need to keep changing your creative ways also, and you need to explore different sides of you, and then you will find, you know, अच्छा, I am particular way in this and मेरे को ये अच्छा लग रहा है and I'm good at this by default. आर्टिस्ट भी ड्राइंग में अच्छा होगा.
हाँ.
अब किसी बच्चे को यू सी इन स्कूल, बोले तेरी ड्राइंग बहुत अच्छी है, पर ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि वो बाद में जाके सेम चीज में अच्छा रहेगा. अगर वो प्रैक्टिस छोड़ दी, इट विल गो अवे. यस, नोबडी इज बोर्न के वो स्किल है उसमें. स्किल 50% होगा, प्रैक्टिस 50% और चाहिए होगी, सो दैट यू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट टू दैट.
Yeah, I think the saying practice makes it perfect. Right?
Yes.
One last question to you. What advices do you have to the upcoming generation, youth, and people like me?
In terms of creativity or in general?
General. For anyone to win in their career, whichever they choose. Any advice you have?
I suppose like people like what I have seen in my family, we live in a joint family. So I have kids who are 1 year, 2 year, 10 years younger to me. And I feel like the younger generation, I think it's called Gen Alpha or something, they are very smart. Like you give them an iPad, they'll know each and everything. Like they can order anything from you, they'll know how to geotag something, or I don't know what it's called. They know so many things.
Correct.
But I feel somewhere parents are restricting them ke iPad nahi, restrict their timing, limit their timing. Two things I feel are more important. Kids, whatever they want to do, this is their generation. वो iPad पे चिपकने वाले ही हैं. उनको कर लेने दो. Give them time के बेटा 2 घंटा दिन का ना play sports. Do something creative, music, art, anything. And the amount of adulteration it's coming into the world right now in food and all the things, I feel physical fitness is one thing that the kids are not following. They are all like, oh, I want to go, you know, BTS and Korea and all of that. Okay, fine, whatever it is, but I feel like I've not seen like sports, you know, taking a lot of space in like the kids' life right now. And I feel कि जितना sports खेल के you get your mind clear ना, like I used to smash the lawn tennis का wall, like पूरे दिन का chapter नहीं किया, homework नहीं किया, I would smash the wall and it would clear my head off. घर आके फिर मैं रात को, that is why I used to be awake till 3 AM doing coloring below the table. तो I feel they should practice that in life, like balance होना चाहिए.
I think the freedom from the parents' side of letting the kid explore and that exposure, while making sure that yes, some parts of the life, like you said, sports and maybe creativity, maybe spirituality stuff, they should be there and balanced.
Definitely, like even if they are getting a lot of iPad time or anything of that sort, they should have a sports time, a creative time.
So thank you so much for your time, and I'm sure apart from the creative learning, the balanced learning is also something people are going to give a thought on, and even parents are going to give a thought on right now.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Yagya.